So away in the manger, middle C position, this is what it will sound like once it has been practiced. Okay, and we'll begin with the finger numbers first. We start off with our left hand and we go 4, 1, 1. Then we have 4 in the left along with 2 in the right, 3 on the right, and then 1 on the right on its own. 4 in the left along with 3 in the right, 4 in the right, 1 left with 5 right. Now we have to move our right hand up a note, so it moves from C to D. That puts finger 4 on the note G. We play 4, 5 and both 3's together. Then we move our hand back down again to middle C. And we go 2, 3, both 4's together, 4, 4 in the right, 5, 1 left, 3 right, 3 again, 1, 3, 5 left with 2 right, continuing on the left, 3, 1, 4 and 2 together. So that's the first half of the song. The second half is identical apart from the ending. So off we go again, we go 4, 1, 1, 4 along with 2, 3 on the right, 1, 1, 4 left with 3 right, 4 on the right, 1 on the left, 5 right. Remember we moved the right hand up a note, so it goes from C to D. Just slides one note on the white keys. That puts 4 on G, 5 and both 3's together. Then let the right hand slide back down the note again from D to C. And we go 2, 3, 4 left and 4 right, 4, 5, 1 left and 3 right, 3, 1, 3, 5 left and 2 right, stay on the left this time, 3, 4 and 2 together, and finish with middle C. Okay, this time we will do the note names. So left hand, G, C, C, left hand G with right hand D, E, C, C, G left, E right, F right, middle C with the left, G with the right. Moving up that note, as we did with the finger numbers, we have G4, A, now left has A, right has F. We move our right hand back to the note, and we go D, E, G left with F right, F, G, middle C with E, E, C, E, F on the left, D right, A, middle C, G and B together, G on the left, C, C, G along with D, E and middle C, G left along with E, F, middle C with G, slide your right hand up the one note, puts 4 in G, A with 5, and then we have A left, F right, both middle fingers. Slide our right hand back down the note, D, E, G on the left, F right, both 4's, F, G, C on the left, middle C along with E, E, C, E, F left, 5, D2 right, A, G and B, 4 and 2, and finish with middle C.